Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh, and have a good day to our instructor Sir Alpadar Alpadar Sir Sir Alpadar Kalim. And we are here to explain the IP addressing. So what is IP addressing? IP addressing an internet protocol. IP address is the unique identifying number assigned to every device connected to the internet. An IP address definition is a numeric label assigned to devices that use the internet to communicate. Computers that communicate over the internet or via local network share information specific location using IP address. So, yung IP address daw ay isang numero na binibigay dapat na bawat sa bawat device tulad ng cellphone, laptop at computer na kumokonekta sa network o internet para itong mga address ng bahay na gano'n. So why is IP addressing important in network and communication? IP address is one of the most fundamental aspect of networking. Without IP address, device on a network cannot communicate communicate effectively, just like people in a city who had no home addresses. They would not know where to send letter or package. Every device connected to a network, whether it's a computer, smartphone, printer, or server, needs a unique identifier so that data can be sent and received accurately. Unique identifier is called an IP address. So, pag wala daw na IP address, hindi tayo makakonekta dun sa mga computer tulad ng printer. Siyempre, yung mga printer, meron din yung IP address saka computer. Dapat lahat ng mga smartphones or laptops mayroong IP address. Dahil kapag walang IP address, hindi nakakakonekta, no? So, yun yung ibig sabihin nito. So, how does IP addressing work? An IP address works is in helping your device, whatever you are accessing the internet on, to find whatever data or content is located to allow for retrieval. Common tasks for an IP address include both the identification of a host or a network, or identifying the location of a device. An IP address is not random. The creation of an IP address has the basis of math. The Internet Assigned Number Authority (IENE) allocates the IP address in its creation. The full range of IP address I can go from 0.0.0.0 to 255.5 with the mathematical sign the unique identification to make a connection to a design can be made. So, dapat lahat ng device natin katulad ng cellphone, katulad ng mga yung special forces na game, yung mga special forces na game na mayroon din yung IP address. Dahil kapag walang IP address ng special forces game, hindi yun makakapag-join ng multiplayer. Yun yung example ko. So, saka pag nag-connecta tayo ng mga wifi, dapat mayroon din yung IP address. tulad ng nasa piso wifi, kapag nag-connect tayo, bibigyan din tayo ng IP address, no? 192.168.123, ganun, 0. So, para yun makonekta lahat. Okay, next. Okay. Real-world application of IP addressing. IP addressing is used in many real-life situations such as connecting smartphone to the internet. Yung sinasabi ko kanina, connecting smartphone to the internet para maka-online, ganun. Online classes in video calls, Zoom, Google Meet, sending emails and messages, accessing website and social media, network management in school office. So, ganun. Yan yung lahat yung na mga real-world application of IP address natin. Yan. So, dito naman tayo sa advantage and challenges of IP addressing. So, ito yung advantage niya. So, enable device, identifications, and communications. So, yung kanya ay limited IPv4 addresses yung challenges niya. At challenges. Mga ganun. So, support internet connectivity. Internet connectivity security. Katulad ng nasa challenge, help para mga cyber security rin. Tutulong din siya dito sa cyber security and support internet connectivity. So, helps manage and organize network. Helps manage and organize network. Organize networks. So, tumutulong din sa mga sa mga opisina. Nun. So, challenges naman dito, limited IPv4 addresses. So, doon yung IPv4, ang speed niya ay 32. 32. So, yung IPv6 na ay 64. No? 64 yung speed. So, securities like IPS4. Okay, securities. And securities required proper, so dun tayo sa requires proper configuration to avoid conflict. Wala po. Maraming salamat. Wala na. Ito yung reference ko. Reference. Yan yung mga reference. Thank you. Wassalam.